So this is how you can reset the AirPods Max from the previous owner. Let's get into it. Right, so at first what you need to do is to try to hold down on both the power button, the longer button as well as the digital crown on your AirPods Max, right? So use two fingers and hold both of them for about 15 seconds, which should like reset the connection. The AirPods should start blinking in different color, and then you can start like pairing them as a brand new device, right? So that's kind of how you can set or reset the connection and connect your AirPods to a new phone. However, the AirPods might still be connected to someone's Apple ID. And this can be managed inside of the Find My section. So if you open up the Find My app and you have your AirPods Max right there, what you can do is to click on remove this device. And it's always a good idea to do that whenever you're buying a secondhand pair. So that essentially means that the previous owner has to do it. And if you're buying a secondhand AirPods Max, you want to ensure that they have done that to ensure that that they are not, that the AirPods Max are not still connected to them. So you should ideally check that they did that, because of course the only person who can do this is the official account or the previous account. So that's kind of how it works. These are the resetting practices that you can perform, right? So just most importantly, ensure that the previous seller or owner has removed it from their account. Now that's essentially everything I wanted to let you know about. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.